Whoa, this tiny mower looks insanely premium right out of the box. Meet the GARDENA Sileno Minimo, a fully automatic robot mower. It's built for lawns up to 5,400 square feet. The compact body feels sleek, sturdy, and surprisingly well made. Setup looks manageable, with everything included for a DIY install. Bluetooth app control makes scheduling feel quick and convenient. You can set mowing times without standing outside all day. That alone already feels like a huge time saver. Now here's the big surprise. It's incredibly quiet. At 57 dBA, it barely sounds like a mower at all. I'd honestly trust this running while relaxing in the backyard. The streak-free cutting is what really makes it impressive. Grass looks evenly trimmed, not messy or randomly patched. It also handles narrow paths and tight corners smoothly. That precise navigation gives it a very polished finish. The boundary wire keeps everything exactly where it should be. Collision sensors add another layer of safety and reliability. That means less worry about damage to plants or furniture. Rain or shine, this mower keeps working through the weather. It even handles slopes up to 35% gradient. That makes it useful for more complicated residential yards. Cleaning looks simple too, just spray it down with a hose. For busy homeowners, that kind of low-maintenance design matters. Gardena's reputation in Europe also adds real confidence here. This is clearly made for people who want effortless lawn care. If you want hands-free mowing, this one seriously delivers. If you hate noise, manual trimming, or constant yard work, consider it. It's smart, quiet, and practical for everyday garden maintenance. Honestly, I'd recommend it for homeowners wanting an easier routine. Check the details, set it up, and let it handle the rest.